Hello. First off, we are going to show off the names. This is Snicket right here, the purple snake. This is Cameron, the cute little doggy. This is Sabrina, the pink flamingo. This is Alex, the brown puppy. Last but not least, wait, my bad. Okay, and then this one is Snowflake. And then my name is Amber. Everybody, aboard the train! Aboard the train! I wanna go! I wanna go! I wanna go! I wanna go! I'm afraid of snakes! Oh, hi, Snicket.
That's just creepy.
Snicket, what do you want now? Nothing. Everything! Oh, well, guess what? You don't get everything! No, whatever. Aboard the train, aboard the train. Again. Hopefully we're not going to see Snicket again. Hey, Amber. Do you want me to pay you anything? Do I have to do anything for them to go on the plane? Oh, here. Here's a tip for letting them go on twice. Thank you. Again! Oh, poopy. Go away, Snicket. You're just getting annoying now. Whatever. Hi! What are you looking at? Don't you dare say I have big ears! Somebody push me up. Oh, come on. Here you go. Ah! That's better. Hey, that's my seat. No, that's my seat. Ah, fine. Phooey. Where do I sit? What? I don't care. I'll sit right here. The end. Oh, bye. Bye.